steady. At Newport News, partly sunny. Temperature 83, dew point 76.
Hey!
Relative
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing a waterspout and strong winds 34 knots or
Oh,
greater,
crap!
moving east to 10 knots.
It's not possible
The
anymore!
waterspout will be near Cabbage Patch and Plantation Light around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kip the Peak Concrete Ships in Latimer Shoal around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Orders should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
Double header!
Issued at 07:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a warning for Northampton County until 10 p.m. At 7:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain accumulating up to 2.00 to 3.00 inches in 1 hour from thunderstorms along a line extending from 7 miles north of Chariton to 8 miles south of Bayview, or along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Cape Charles to 9 miles southeast of Cape Charles, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bayview, Cape Charles, and Chariton. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Northampton, Virginia.
Triple header! My first triple header! Oh my god, my first triple header! What is it?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia, and 20 nautical miles Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Currituck Beach Light, North Carolina from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 20 nautical miles Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from James River Bridge to Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, and small hail from Sandy Hill Inlet to Bluefish Rock, moving east at 30 knots. These severe thunderstorms will be near Latimer Shoal around 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel and Ship Shoal Inlet around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fourth Island Bay Bridge around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fisherman's Island and Cape Charles Light around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. This is a potentially dangerous situation, and all Great Lake mariners and shipmasters should closely monitor the storm.